Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackGear.com, and today we're going to give you a first look at a brand new pair of limited edition boots from our friends at Alpinestars. You know, I always thought unboxing videos were kind of dumb, but now here I am about to do an unboxing video and give you a look at a kick-ass pair of Alpinestars boots. These limited edition boots are something they used to do a little more regular, and then they stopped, and now they're back again. They had two to choose from. You could get the Martin limited edition or the Marquez, greatest motorcycle racer in the history of the universe. Of course, I got the Marquez boots to sell and said, we don't need the Martins over here, man. Look at these. Artwork is what we have here. You could buy these and be riding in the same pair of boots the greatest motorcycle racer in the history of the world rides in. And just wait till he's on that GP25 from Ducati. No doubt it's going to be a championship season for our man Marquez next year. As you would expect, these boots come at a slight premium as compared to the standard Supertech R. These retail for $649.95 and will be here until supplies run out.